Hello everyone, so here I will introduce one of the many heavy equipment related to my major, namely civil engineering. The heavy equipment is tower crane. What is tower crane? Tower crane is a loading lifting machine that is used to facilitate the construction process, especially in high-rise buildings. The height of tower crane ranges from 70 to 80, some even up to 100 meters, and capable of lifting heavy materials of up to 20 tons. Due to this high size, tower cranes are the type that is often used when building apartments, tall buildings, corporate office, and others. Tower crane function. Tower cranes can move various types of construction materials that can be moved in high-rise building projects. For example, steel, concrete, and multiplex. This tool can also be used as a tool for casting beams, ponds, or floor slab. In this project, the use crane must be done carefully so that the concrete mix can be right on the target. How tower cranes work? The working mechanism of this tool is based on the working principle of the rope used to lower the load of material to a certain place. The top of the mesh of this tool consists with a winch and a rotation boom, whose function is to pull material or cargo down or up. Tower cranes part. This heavy equipment certainly consists of various parts, each of which has its own function. Here are the parts. 1. Main pole mesh, namely a vertical pole whose position stands on the base. 2. Jib, namely the arm part of this heavy equipment, which is composed of an iron frame. The arrangement of the iron frame has length that determines the horizontal reach of the crane be achieved. Counter jib, which is a component whose function is to balance the jib. With this component, the tie bar and tower crane can move in balance. For trolley, name a tool that works to shift the load or material along the jib. This tool is also equipped with a hook or hook that can move vertical to lift the load. 5. Hoist, namely a crane component whose function is a tool for lifting and lowering material or cargo. 6. Sailing, which is a tool in the form of steel wire or cable. This component is part of the hoist. The alternating diameter can be changed according to the needs in the field. Types of tower cranes. 1. Freestanding tower crane. This type of crane is erected outside the building without being tied to the building structure. The advantage of using this tool is that the assembly and installation time is faster. The body position of this tool stands and is anchored in position the planet foundation. However, the use of this tool is limited to a height 100 meters. 2. Tied-in tower crane. If the construction of the building reaches a height above 100 meters, this tool must be tied on the structure of this building. Bonding is done using steel at certain height. The bonding process is useful for reaching the bending length of the tool. Usually this can occur due to wind loads on the crane structure. Okay friends, thank you for watching. That's all for the introduction of one of the heavy equipment from my major. Name is Civil Engineering, and see you again.